Greetings to all my dear brothers and sisters. My name is Saket Vikas Panse, age 29 years. I am from Pune. My group is Yuva Gut and my topic is Self-Reliant India and Veer Savarkar. अनादिमी, अनंतमी, अवध्यमी भला, मारिल रिपू जगती, असा कवन जन्मला. These words portray the indomitable courage of Swatantraveer Vinayak Damodar Savarkar, who fought a heroic struggle relentlessly, defiantly against the oppressive Britishers for over 13 long years. Even when utter gloom and despair haunted him during the hellish darkness days he spent in the Andamans, he continued his struggle. The sheer equanimity of his mind to find practical solutions to complex problems that were pestering India shows us his determination for the betterment of India. It is because of such great revolutionaries that today we are living as free citizens. My dear brothers and sisters, India has suffered blows throughout our history, but each and every time we have bounced back. We have raised ourselves from adversity to prosperity. One such event which has shattered not only India but the entire globe is the COVID-19 pandemic. COVID-19 has affected us economically, physically, mentally on a large magnitude. It is during these tough times that our strong leadership has put forth a new idea called as Atmanirbhar Bharat or Self-Reliant India. The term Atmanirbhar Bharat was put forth by our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji on 12th May 2020 during the announcement of COVID-19 related economic package. Atmanirbhar Bharat is our mission to make India a promising player in the world economy by pursuing policies which are self-generating, self-efficient and self-sustaining. My dear brothers and sisters, Veer Savarkar was a revolutionary, a reformist, a poet, a freedom fighter. He had put forth many ideals, principles and vision. Veer Savarkar had envisioned India as a country where each and every man, woman could sustain individually. Veer Savarkar always followed scientific approach. It is Veer Savarkar's ideas which are relevant even today and which will surely help us in making Atmanirbhar Bharat a grand success. The 5 basic pillars of Atmanirbhar Bharat movement are: first, creating infrastructure which is world class, making it as our identity. Second is creating advanced scientific system. Third is using a vibrant democracy to its fullest potential. Fourth is completing the demand and supply chain. Fifth, which is the most important, gaining quantum leap in our economy. My dear brothers and sisters, Veer Savarkar always strived hard for the spread of education. Even when he was subjected to inhuman tortures, indignities, scanty food and clothing, zero medical treatment in the Andamans, he continued his struggle. It is because of Veer Savarkar's efforts that the literacy rate of Andamans grew over 80%. Veer Savarkar believed in global mobility. He urged the citizens to travel all around the world, gather knowledge, excel, develop and use that knowledge for the betterment of India. He wanted to spread the culture, the Indian importance all around the world. Veer Savarkar always urged our citizens to gain knowledge which is relevant in today's time. Veer Savarkar wanted to build a society on scientific approach. Veer Savarkar wanted each and every man, woman to have a job, a place to stay, food and proper medical facilities. Thus, when each and every individual has knowledge which is relevant in today's time, which is scientifically developed, we build world-class infrastructure on our Indian soil and we have a system which is scientifically advanced. Veer Savarkar was a social reformer. He had put forth many ideas. He was amongst the first to envision India as a casteless country. Veer Savarkar wanted the fruits of development to be distributed equally among all sections of the society. Thus, when you have a society where there is unity, prosperity and harmony, we can use the vibrant democracy to its fullest potential and this in turn will help us complete the demand and supply chain. When you have all these factors in place, there is only one possible outcome and that is gaining quantum leap in our economy, thus making the Atmanirbhar Bharat movement a grand success. My dear brothers and sisters, today we should consider ourselves really lucky that we have such strong leadership which is strong-minded, iron-willed to make India a developed country. We can see that in a very short span of time, Atmanirbhar Bharat movement has garnered huge success. For example, India's PPE kit industry has grown over 10,000 crores in the last few months. Today, we are the second largest producers of PPE kit in the world. Our Defense Ministry has ordered an import embargo on 101 items over a staged manner. My dear brothers and sisters, one such technology which is going to positively affect almost every section of the society, be it food industry, medical industry, technology, defense, and that is 5G technology. My dear brothers and sisters, our Indian companies have announced in-house development by using in-house infrastructure of 5G technology. Thus, 5G technology is the face of development of our Indian population. My dear brothers and sisters, recently when the COVID-19 has affected us very badly, each and every citizen wanted a vaccine. With the help of our capable scientists and with the help of government policies, today we have 2 Indian-made vaccines which will help us prevent the spread of coronavirus. My dear brothers and sisters, recently our government has also announced a full-fledged development and setup of lithium-ion battery production. This will help us reduce our dependence on imports. Thus, my dear brothers and sisters, the road to Atmanirbhar Bharat movement is a bright road. It's a long way ahead, but at least we should consider ourselves lucky that we have started in the right path. We should thank our strong leadership. It is because of them and the effort of each and every individual that we will make this Atmanirbhar Bharat movement a grand success. The effort, determination we put in today will help our children to reap its sweet fruits of success. My dear brothers and sisters, the sacrifices made by Swatantraveer Vinayak Damodar Savarkar are of high magnitude. They can't be expressed in words. The only way to pay tribute to this great revolutionary is to follow his ideals, his vision, his principles, which will help us attain only one goal, and that is making our country one. Ek Bharat, Shresth Bharat. My dear brothers and sisters, I have pledged to make my India Ek Bharat, Shresth Bharat. Have you? Jai Hind.